Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Daily Evolve. In this video, we are going to talk about the best 7 digital marketing platforms that can help your business reach new heights. With the help of these platforms, you can grow and expand your business faster and at a lower cost than traditional marketing. As a business owner, it can be challenging to select the best fit for your advertising needs. That's why we've created a list of the 7 best digital marketing platforms. Let's get started. Number 1. Google Ads. Established in 2000, Google Ads is a great platform for businesses of all sizes targeting various demographics. With access to a large user base and a range of ad formats, Google Ads can be highly targeted and effective. However, it can be expensive and requires ongoing optimization. Number 2. Facebook Ads. With over 1.8 billion active users per day, Facebook ads can be a great platform for businesses targeting a specific demographic. It offers excellent targeting options and is cost-effective for small budgets. But ad performance may be affected by changes in the platform's algorithm. Number 3. Instagram Ads. Established in 2013, Instagram Ads is a great platform for brands with visually appealing products targeting younger demographics. It offers high engagement rates and seamless integration with Facebook ads. But it's limited to visually oriented content. Number 4. Bing Ads. Bing Ads, rebranded as Microsoft Advertising in 2019, is a cost-effective alternative to Google Ads. With a smaller user base and limited ad formats, it's a good option for businesses looking for a different advertising platform. Number 5. LinkedIn Ads. LinkedIn Ads is the perfect platform for B2B businesses and those targeting professionals. It offers excellent targeting options for professionals and industries. But it comes at a higher cost. Number 6. Amazon Ads. Amazon Ads is a great platform for e-commerce businesses and sellers on Amazon. With access to Amazon's massive customer base and multiple ad formats, it's a good option for businesses looking to feature their products quickly. Number 7. Outbrain. Outbrain is a great native advertising platform with the capability to blend your ads with content without disrupting the user experience. It offers access to a network of premium publisher sites, but it has limited reach and potentially lower conversion rates. We hope this video has helped you select the best advertising platform for your digital marketing requirements. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching.